Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Ikhtiar Uddin Howlader. Today I am presenting our case study on point of sale system. Our group member is me, MD Ikhtiar Uddin Howlader, brother Rasel Ahmed, brother Saifudin, brother Din Zhilong, and brother Zaki. Now I move on our coding part. So this is our coding part. Here I use local storage and I store data in my local storage. In this file data.text, in this file I stored our product name, product details, and product price. Then here I used built-in function file. I used this function for take data from our local storage data.text. So this file function will store all data in this data variable as a array. Then I create a loop for stored that product name, product description, and product price in variable. Then I use here date function for show the date, get the date and show the date. I also use same date function in our invoice. The rest of thing will describe Rasel Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Rasel Ahmed. My meeting number is 1836247. Today we are present about our case study, which is about a point of sale system, and my contributor was graphical user interface. So here I start with the marquee tag for the headline, and it is about the welcome to IOM Cafe. Then I give a heading to select our item. Then I create the table, and that content table was about for item list, details, price, quantity, and total. And then I use PHP to show output product data, and the product data keep in our local storage. And then I put the option for the product, and the option is 0 to 9, so customer can choose product from 0 to 9. And I keep the same for every product. Every product data will come from the local storage, and this is the option to select the product. So as you can see, this for the option all product is same, and then it will show the total amount, and this is the button for submit for an invoice. So after select every product, customer can just click the submit for invoice button, and they will show the total amount inside the invoice, which is done by my other group mate. And for the design, I use the CSS. As you can see, for the headline, for heading, we have design for every part. This is the date. So we have the content table, this and this all for design the table, and this class button, this is design for the button. So if we look our website, as you can see, this is the table, and this is the submit button, this is our heading. So that's all done by me, and now I would like to invite my other group mate, the Ikhtiar. He will describe the get value function. So thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, it's me again, MD Ikhtiar Uddin Howlader. Here I created set value function. For this function, I get value function. For this function, I will use to get the value from our product list. Like if any customer will select 2 or 3 quantity, then I have to take his value. So I use this function for take the value, and then this function, or in this function, contribute the Saifudin. He will describe rest of things. And now I am presenting our user interface. So this is our user interface. If I take any if user take any quantity, then the price will be automatically update. Like if the user take these 2 these two product and another one the user don't want to take, then the price will be automatically update and the total amount this thing will be automatically update. This part will describe brother Saif. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Saifudin bin Ahmad Gani. I will go over the calculation. This is one of the crucial parts of the system. First of all, we need to calculate the total price per item. So we can see the price per item. This is quantity. It depends on how many quantity we select. For example, if I select two two items, then 2 will be multiplied by 13 ringgit 50 cent. If I select 3 items here, 3 will be multiplied by 14 ringgit 50 cent, then we get the total amount per item. So finally, they will calculate all, then we get the total amount. So this is 8 items. 8 items here. So this is price per item. We can see the different price for each item. So the same code here. Okay. For this purpose, we need to multiply the price with quantity, and then the total amount per item here will be displayed in the following code. Yeah. So I can say the get element. Then finding the quantity is easy now because we can get the total sum, which is calculated from the price 1 until price 8. We put in the first parenthesis the math flow function return the largest integer that is less than or equal to the given number. So we will multiply by 100, then the second parenthesis, then finally we divide it to 100.0 to get the accurate price. That was from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zhilong. We are from Group 3. So I will describe about tax, GST tax. So how to calculate tax. So our algorithm is based on Ramadan amount multiplied by 1.606, and then we define the lookup GST amount, GST tax element using the get element by ID most. So finally we going to get the view of tax. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikhtiar bin Muhammad Zaki, metric number 1920041. I'll be explaining the submit for invoice button here as part of the last portion of what will be said in this case study. So firstly, the submit for invoice button is basic triggers a pop-up, which is basically a modal which displays the amount, the Ramadan discount, GST, tax, and also the final amount, as well as having a PHP date function over here situated right above the table, the contents for table. So as you can see here, there's no value set because we haven't even added anything for the quantities. So once the user has added the quantity, what will happen is that the values will automatically be updated over here. And so what is displayed here is the amount, which is basically what the total price after the user has added all the quantities involved in the cart. So it's basically the cart amount, and then we have the Ramadan discount, which is 2% applied towards to this amount right here. 2% discount, which is an incentive given by us to our customers, and then we have the GST tax exclusive from the cart amount, and only calculated after we have the Ramadan discount, and we have the final amount, which is basically a direct replica of the GST tax amount. So this will be exactly the same in any case scenario. So that's about it from our team. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.